Hello, everyone. Now more than ever is the time to create calmness, clarity, and prosperity in our lives. Think about this. In the past, you had a vision or a dream or a goal, and you thought about it over and over and over and over. You went to bed thinking about it. You woke up thinking about it. And then one day you're randomly scrolling on social media and you see a friend had that same vision, that same idea. They took actions and they're succeeding. Oh, has that ever happened to you? It's happened to me. So I've created this framework. It's called vision mapping, which really sexy words for creating a plan, a very detailed, intentional plan. It's broken down in really simple steps to actually help you to get to that vision, to that goal, to that dream, and to live that life filled with calmness, clarity, and prosperity. So I invite you to join my 2.5-hour workshop, Vision Mapping for Your Soul, on April 1st, and all the details are in the link below. I love that day, April 1st. I've started 2 businesses on that day and have had amazing results on that day, April 1st. So I invite you to come along, create this calmness and this clarity and this prosperity in your life. Oh, half of the proceeds will go to benefit a family or a community or an organization to help those that are really struggling at this time. See you April 1st. Please share.